Look at the Asian playing the prize pagoda.
Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna be playing the prize pagoda. I'm actually good at this machine because I'm Asian and it has an Asian dragon on it.
Foolproof right there.
Yeah.
The house.
That is a normal American house. What are you talking about? Alright, we're gonna go for this. Let's see if I can get a gift card. That'd be sweet. Aww. Try that right there, maybe?
Yeah, right there, maybe.
Don't stab, don't stab. But
oh.
Wait. Wow, unbelievable.
What about that one?
Yeah, let's go for the
Have you ever even tried the fortune cookies that are in here?
Yeah.
Are they gross?
No, they taste like normal fortune cookies.
I guess.
Don't be racist against our
Oh, there we go.
cookies. Did you hear that guy? Jason's racist.
Look at that. That's foolproof. I couldn't do that even if I tried.
Because you're not Asian.
That's right. It'd be a luxury if I even got one of these out here.
A luxury? What is you in the word luxury today?
I didn't say it. This is the first time I said it.
No, you're like, I got these minions. What a luxury. And I'm like, you're not rich.
Again?
No, it wasn't a luxury.
Again!
This is a luxury, isn't it?
Again!
Alright, let's see if I got any
That's two. So guys, you know sometimes there's iPads in those. You just open it and they're in there.
And it like folds out. You're like, whoa. Alright, I actually have, believe it or not, guys, found a gift card. It was a Shell gas station gift card for $10. It wasn't too bad.
Eat the fortune cookie.
You're gonna get a lot of hate comments from me. That means you subscribe to the people. All the people. Yes. Maybe.
Oh, in the string.
2-in-1.
Ooh, ooh. You almost got chinga panga one.
Would you stop being so freaking racist?
Sorry. Want to hear a song I made? If you win it. Sweet and sour pork and wonton soup and chicken chow mein and 4 egg rolls. No.
Wait. Oh, it's heavy.
How much?
I have. I guess you don't have much, huh, Chasen?
Oh,
man, I can get that. So I'm guessing you guys kind of like it.
Here you go.
Wait,
never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
Don't get weak on me.
Oh yeah!
What are you doing, sir? I don't want to.
If you win this, you have to go ho yo 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 yo. Oh. Yes. You gotta do it. Oh, right in the box.
Wait.
Right and. Oh, wow.
Wow, what a bologna sandwich. What a bologna sandwich.
That's a bologna sandwich. I'm so thirsty.
For boys?
Yeah, you always say that every time.
It's funny. What, you don't think it's funny? Huh? Oh wow. Unbelievable.
That's probably more entertaining than this.
What were you talking about?
Oh, that's so got it. Inside the strap.
Wait.
Uri.
Let's go. Alright, let's see.
Hashtag Uri.
Nothing. Ew, there's crumbled
Uri.
cookies. Nothing in here. Actually, I own 30 of them, but 30 collections. Oh wow,
no.
really? No. Dude, I want Yosemite Sam so badly. He's been in here for like...
There's one right there too.
5 minutes. What was that?
That's my phone.
You have the gayest ringtone. Honestly,
Now who's mean? You.
Excuse me?
You. Oh.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, that's perfect.
Dude, perfect.
Oh.
How could you? I trusted you.
That's what I thought mine was gonna do, and then it flopped right in.
Really, really want
Or just not listening.
there.
Perfect.
There. Wait.
Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
her fat head though.
Yes.
That fat. Oh my gosh. I have to get a 2-in-1.
Keep shit. Ooh. It is. Ooh. Perfect. Yes. Heck yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, this bus.
Oh, yo.
When you see that booty and eat it like groceries.
Oh my god.
I'm kidding.